Hi folks, I'm Mark with Artisan Restoration, and today I'm out looking at about a 20-year-old log home that's in really nice shape, except for the stain is wore out and needs to get redone, restained. You can see little spots here and there where it's come off. And you can hear the bees. They've been using a product that's actually being discontinued. It's called Weather Seal, and it's so thick you can stand a brush up in the pail of that material. But anyway, there've been logs replaced over here on this end, and we need to do some on the gable end also. They're aware of one in the front that was decayed because the gutter leaked. But anyway, we found a couple more right here. This guy here is bad almost from end to end, so we're gonna have to do that one. And then there's another one further up that I think it's right there. That's gotten kind of dark, so that one will get replaced. And then over here on the front, there's some damage here where the gutter leaked and that log got ruined, and then some of the soffit needs repair, and that's about it. So anyhow, thanks for coming with us today and watching. Bye.